4 times 3x plus x minus 2y plus 3 dy plus 0. So therefore, distribute natin yung dx. So, 2x dx plus y dx minus 4 dx. Plus x dy minus 2y dy So, y dy plus 3 dy equals to 0. Okay, tapos integrate na natin lahat. So, may integration ito, magiging siya yung 2 natin, tapos yung, di ba mangyayari dito is product rule. So, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Ay, power rule plus, ito naman, in terms of x, yung y, wala na yan, constant lang. So, integration ng dx is
1
x minus 4 times integration of dx is x plus dito in terms of y naman since so yung x gagawin natin constant, so integration ng dy is y minus 2 yung natin constant, integration ng y ito y 1 plus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 3 times integration ng dy is 1 plus 2 tapos simplify natin. So, magiging na siyang 2 times. Eto, magiging ito lang plus 2. So, therefore, x squared over 2 plus yung xy natin, dalawa yung xy natin. Itong quantity na plus itong quantity na. So, dalawa. So, gawin natin, pagsamahin ko ng 2xy minus 4x minus 2 times ito, y squared over 2 y squared over 2 plus 3y equals to c. So therefore, ito makakancel na. Ito makakancel. So therefore, x squared plus 2xy minus 4x minus y squared plus 3y equals to c.